So seems Snapchat just made some edit designs, and like when you just want to edit your snap, now instead of edit button, it just has copy to clipboard. So as I understand, if I just tap here, it just says copy to clipboard, and a lot of users actually complaining about it. You can just see people are just like, hey, when Snapchat turns the edit button into copy to clipboard button, so now every time muscle memory clicks, there it is loads for 5 seconds and copies the photo. So it's like yep, so that's just what's happening. I don't know if you can just bring it back, but that's just what's happening. So again, if you just go to memories, like there is some like change of the order here. So yep, I don't know whether it's possible to bring this edit snap button and change the order, but seems that's just what it is at the moment, and a lot of users are just frustrated with this change. Copy to clipboard, it means you just copied the link to that photo, and then it's just you can just paste it somewhere, or I don't know, like why they, it's just, it means the photo is copied to your device. So that's just what's happening. Yeah.